of temperature and relationship between the different scales of temperature. As we know, there are three scales of temperature: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale.
This is the formula to convert the temperature from the degree Celsius into the Kelvin. So simply we have to add 273 into the given degree Celsius temperature. Then it will convert into the Kelvin temperature. This is the formula to convert temperature from Celsius scale to temperature into the Fahrenheit scale.
Next topic is effects of heat. First, change in temperature of the body. When body is heated, the temperature of the body will rise, and when the body is cool, then temperature of the body will decrease. Second, change in size of the body. When we heated any body, it will expand on heating, and when we cool the body, it will contract on the cooling. Next, change in state of the body. The process by which one state of matter can change into the other state is called as the change in states of the body. There are different processes which indicates the change in state of the body. For example, melting. The process by which the solid substance converts into the liquid state. For example, melting of the ice. Freezing. The process by which liquid state converts into the solid state substance. For example, water converts into the ice. Next, boiling. The process by which the liquid state converts into the gaseous state on heating. For example, the water converted into the steam. Condensation. The process by which the gaseous states start to convert into the liquid state on cooling is called as condensation. For example, water vapor condensed into the water droplets. Next, sublimation. The process by which the substance in solid state converts into the gaseous state without converting into the liquid state. For example, naphthalene ball, iodine crystal and camphor converts into the gaseous state and they get disappear when they comes in contact with the air. So these are the various processes which indicates the change in state of the body, and this takes place due to the heating or cooling. This topic is thermal expansion. The change in size of the body due to heating is called as thermal expansion. Thermal expansion can take place in all the three states: solid, liquid and gases. So let's discuss about the thermal expansion in solid state. The increase in length of a solid on heating is called as linear expansion. The increase in volume of the solid on heating is called as cubical expansion, and increase in area of the solid on heating is called as superficial expansion.
Railway tracks are made up of steel and gap is left between the tracks. Why is it so? Because this is due to the thermal expansion. Railway tracks expand on heating or due to the friction. The volume of railway tracks increases due to the heating of it, and length of the railway track increase due to its increase in volume, and gap is filled. If it is not left, then that railway track may bend and it may cause the accident. So gap is left to allow the expansion of that railway track. Next example is wheel of the cart are fitted with the iron tires. To ensure the tight fit, the tire is made slightly smaller in diameter than the wheel. The tire is first heated, due to which it expands, and then the heated tire is then fitted on the wheel. When the tire gets cool, it contracts and makes the tight fit on the wheel. This shows thermal expansion of the rim. Electrical wires loops are formed during the summer season because the wires are made up of copper or aluminium and they got expand due to the extreme heat, and there is an increase in length of the wire. So loops are formed in summer.
Thermal expansion in liquid. The liquid can also expand on heating. In a liquid, cubical expansion takes place. So let's see through the example.
Take a one bottle filled with the water. Let's see, does water expand on heating? We will add drop of inks into this water to make it colorful. Now we will make one hole to the cap and we will insert the straw inside that cap, and we will close the mouth of the bottle very packed. Now we will dip that bottle into the hot water. So let's see what will happen. The water is very hot. It contains lots of heat energy. Due to that heat energy, the water inside the bottle gets expand, and due to it started to come up through the straw which we inserted in the cap. As we observe, the water level is rising and it is coming out at the end. This shows water expand on heating and is called as thermal expansion in the case of liquid state.
Thermal expansion in gaseous state. Gases can also expand on heating. In the gaseous state, cubical expansion takes place and gases can expand more than solid and the liquid.
Take a balloon tied to the glass bottle and that bottle is empty. Now keep that bottle into the hot water. Let's see. The balloon gets inflated. So who blew the air inside the balloon? No one. This is due to the expansion of air inside the bottle, and it has no other way to come out, so it is going inside the balloon and it blows the balloon. This happened due to the thermal expansion of air. So air expands on heating.